Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you do work on the internet, more than likely you're going to be working at coffee shops and you're not going to have a normal office for most people. However, the whole trend, at least for people who work on the internet, is to actually work in co-working spaces. So this is basically you are renting out a little room to actually work in. So this is just one example. These are actually co-working rooms back there. And obviously this is your caffeine machine, which you're definitely going to need. And depending on where you're at, the facilities could vary. But for places that, in my opinion, are really the best co-working spaces, it's the ones that provide you all the amenities. Obviously, having fast internet, having a nice location to work in, caffeine, and also many rooms to work in. And so I'm going to show you my co-working space that I'm using today. As you can see, this is a pretty nice co-working space. There's big conference rooms if you actually need to have a conference call with a lot of people, or maybe you are working in teams. And so this is my co-working space right here. So depending on where you're at, the prices could vary. Some are extremely expensive depending on your amenities. So this is what I have right here. So as you can see here, it's got a very simple setup and a TV right here if you need to do a little Netflix and chill. But the most important thing, you are in an environment that allows you to be productive, to get work done, and at the same time, depending on where you're at, have a nice view as well. My opinion is if you can get a co-working space that actually has sunlight and a window, those are the best. So that is it for this quick co-working episode. If you had any thoughts on the whole idea of co-working, or maybe you are also doing this yourself, be sure to leave that in the comment area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.